Here are some ideas to upgrade and update your home to add value in 2022. Number one item that has become very critical for all those individuals this year, it is kitchens and bathrooms. Make sure that they're modern, bright and light, and grays are coming in as well. So keep that in mind as you make those choices of redesign. Keep also in mind that for 2022, wood colors are coming in. The next item that you should consider, of course, is a wellness center in your home, like a gym. People are looking forward to being somewhere where they can go in their home and exercise or have their own Zen moment, either yoga or whatever that may be, that they can have their privacy and space to create that environment of wellness. Keep in mind that more people are also working from home. So adding an office, a den, or a space where people can work from home, that will add more value to your home. We are now bringing the outside in and the inside out. So work on your outdoor space to make it inviting, where people can step out and still feel that that is part of the home. Include that, especially the outdoor side. And finally, laundry rooms are critical. It is no longer just a place where you go and drop laundry in. That is where you actually store pet items, do your laundry, spend some time in there, and it makes it quite inviting. One more thing, I know it was final, but let me add one more item. Architectural designs are big this year in 2022, whether it's shelving, lighting, designs. Those are people that walk in, and if it makes a nice pow, it catches the eye, that will automatically bring more value to your home. So hopefully this will help you as you're reconsidering or considering what to do with your home this year. Keep those in mind. You will get a great successful return on it. Remember to click on the little bell below so that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our real estate tips.